In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change canvas size in Inkscape. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the setting, how to enter precise dimensions, and how to pick the right units so your project looks exactly the way you intend. First, open Inkscape. Give it a moment to launch and you'll see a blank document or your last project. Either way is fine, because the canvas size can be changed at any time without affecting your actual artwork until you decide on the measurements you want. Next, go to the menu bar at the top and choose File. Then select Document Properties. This opens the control panel where all of your document-level settings live. It may appear as a floating window or dock to the side of your workspace depending on your layout. Inside Document Properties, look for the Page section. This is where the canvas, or page, size is defined. You'll see fields for width and height, along with a units dropdown. Think of this area as the blueprint for your document's overall dimensions. To change the canvas size, simply adjust those fields. Start with width. Click into the width box and type the exact value you need. You can use whole numbers or decimals if you're working with very precise measurements. Then move to height and enter the matching value for the vertical dimension. As you type, the document updates immediately, so you can see the canvas adjust in real time. This instant feedback makes it easy to confirm that you've got the size you want without extra steps. Before you finalize the numbers, choose the correct units. Use the Units drop-down to select px for pixels, m for millimeters, cm for centimeters, or in for inches. Pixels are a great choice for screen graphics, icons, and web assets, because many digital workflows are pixel-based. Millimeters and centimeters are ideal for metric print work like stickers, labels, or posters. Inches work well for documents that follow common print standards in regions where imperial units are used. Changing the unit also changes how Inkscape interprets the width and height values, so pick the unit first, then double-check your numbers. Once your width, height, and units look right, you can close the Document Properties panel. There's nothing extra to apply. Your canvas size has already updated as you made the changes. From here, you're ready to lay out your artwork with confidence, knowing the page matches your target dimensions. And if you need to refine it later, just reopen Document Properties and adjust the same fields.